Hello, my lovely viewers. I welcome you to Omades. And Omades is a page created to teach you how to use Corel Draw to make designs. How you can use any tool in Corel Draw to make a simple design to make your office easy. Okay, so please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments as you watch the video, if you have any comment, please kindly drop it under the comment section. And please, you can be notified by selecting the notification bell, then you select all, so that you will not miss out any new videos that we will upload. So today what I want us to learn is, I want us to learn how to design a very simple medal. Okay, that is a word medal. So first of all, I will urge you to sit behind your screen and follow me carefully as I go through the process how we can design this medal. So first of all, we draw our ellipse or our circle by selecting the ellipse tool. Then you press your hand on the control on your keyboard, then you draw to get a perfect circle. Okay, good. Now after that, you divide the circle into two equal parts. Okay, so you take this freehand tool, then you click once, then you stretch it to the down, then you put your hands on the control to get a straight line, then you click once also. Now you select this line that you draw, then you press your hand on the shift key, then you click on this circle, that is multi-selection. And if you want to select any other object too, so your hand will be on the shift key, then you click on that object too, and it will also be selected to this one. So now these two have been selected. After I've selected this together, then you press C and it will automatically divide the circle into two equal parts. Okay, good. Now I want it to, let me stretch it to down here. Now after that, then you come here, then you select smart fill, then you click here to fill this color, then you click here also to fill the same color here. Now when you finish, you come here, interactive fill tool, then you drag it. That's the half of the circle I filled. You drag it, then you come here, then you take elliptical fountain tool, then you click on, so that our fill will be ellipse. It will look elliptical. Okay, then you select your color. You can click here where you see this white is the color selected down here. So if you change it, you see how it will look like. Good. Let me cancel it. And the one up here also, you can choose a color by clicking here this box, then the color dialog box will open. At the same time, you can also drag a color from outside and put it inside the box. Okay, good. And drag another one. That's the color of your choice. Okay, I think the one there, I preferred it. Good, I prefer this one, so I control it with this electrical fountain fill. Good, I control it. Now this is what I want. So let me dial it a bit. Now it's too high. Good, good, good. Now after this, I want the same color that I filled to be here, to be this place. I want this color to fill this place. So you click here, the part you want to fill, you click there, then you click on the interactive fill tool, that is the fountain interactive fill Okay, you click on interactive fill, the one I used to fill here. You click on it, then you come up here, you will see copy fill. You click on it, will give you this arrow, then you shoot, you point it to where you fill the color, meaning we are copying this one to here. So you shoot here, then the color will automatically fill the other part also. Now you can leave it or you can control it, it depends on you. Good, good. Now let me control it a bit. Control it a bit. Now let me delete this one. Good. You delete it, then remove the outline, then you click the other part too, then you remove the outline. Now there's this outline for the whole circle that I first draw. I will maintain it because I need it. Then you come here, I want to increase the size of this one. I come here, then I choose 0.75 and I select a color for it. Please, I hope you are following the process, and here still remains Omades. And if you have any comment, please drop it under the comment section. So if you want to fill an outline color, you select it, then you place the cursor on the any color that you want, then you right click. Please, it's right click, because if you take your mouse, we have it has been divided into two. We have left click and right click. We use the left click to fill the outline color, and we use the right click to fill the inside color. Okay, so you select, then you place the cursor on any color that you like, then you right click. Okay, yeah, I prefer this color. I right click, and I copy the same thing by holding your hand on the shift, then you drag it with the left click on your mouse, left click bottom of your mouse, then you press right click to copy. Good. Then let me copy the same thing. Press your hand on the shift, then you hold down the bottom of your mouse, that's left click, then you drag it to wherever you like, then you right click to copy. And I will increase the size of this one also. I think 2 will be okay. Good. 2 is okay for me. 2 is okay for me. Now, 2 is too small. I think it's too small. Let me increase it a bit to 3. Good. Now, let's do this. Let's do this quick. Draw this circle. I drag the other one here. I right click to copy. I take this one, smart fill. I click here, then I delete the rest, and I get this shape. I remove the outline, I stretch it a bit, I compress it, then I choose a color for it. Good. Now this is what I want to do. I want this one to be in the midpoint of this circle that I drew, like I did the first one. You select the object, you press your hand on the shift, then you select this one also, then you press C. Okay, now it is facing the center of the circle that I draw. Okay, now you drag it down here. Let me reduce the size, then you click on it again to rotate it. Okay, good. Yeah, that's how I want it to be. Now I want the center of this circle. So I click, I zoom it out, then I drag the ruler and put it there. Then I drag other one also from here and put it there, so that I'll get the center of the circle. The reason why this time around I'm using the ruler is that I don't want it to disturb me. If I draw a line, it might disturb what I'm going to do. That is why I'm using the ruler. So you click on this one, it's in the center. Okay, you click on first one, then you click on second one. It will give this point, okay, this sign. Then you drag it all the way to the midpoint of the circle that you draw. If you zoom it out, you will see whether it is the middle or not. Then you place it well. Okay, good. Now when you finish like this, you go to Windows, then you come to Dockers, then you come to transform. I think it's there, but it has pushed to this side. Oh shit, sorry, the color is gone. Yeah, let me place it. Windows, Dockers, transform. Okay, it's here. It has reduced to this side. Okay, now this dialog box will appear. Meanwhile, this one is selected. Okay, then you come to the angle. Let me take 3.5. Then I come here and take, let's say 200. Okay, good. Now you apply. Have you seen? Good. Let me go to undo and show you again. I've selected this one. You come here, angle, you write 3.5. Then I select 200. Okay, then I click on apply to duplicate the same shape around the circle. Okay, click on apply, and that 3.5 is the angle, that is the distance. Okay, that's the angle that it goes. Okay, so now I'm done. Then I'll finish my distance. I'll finish this one. Let me work on the outline. Okay, let me work on the outline color. By coming to transparent tool, then I fade this side. Okay, yeah, that's the good. Or I can come here also, elliptical, and drag it like this. Good. So that some places will be faded. Good. Now that this one is done, I group it, I place it here, because there's another thing that we are coming to do. And first of all, let me ungroup it. I need the shape of this circle here. I copy it here, the same size. I copy it here, then do this, take the circle, I draw this, and I copy one here like this. Take this one like I did smart fill, I click here, then I delete this one, then I get this shape. Remove the outline. Now I use the interactive fill, I drag, and then me take this green. Let me take this green grass. Good. Green grass here. Now I take this freehand tool. I draw this. Click here once. Double click once to join. Good. I fill it. I remove the outline. Then I come here. I select what I draw and this one together. Then you come here, trim. That is to cut. So I've used this shape, okay, to cut what I draw. Okay, now I got this. I reduce the size. So this one today is the center of it. So I got this one. I rotate it. I've shown you how to rotate it. If you want to rotate, you first click on, then you click on again, then the rotational sign will come. Do what I want. Okay, this one, interactive fill. Let me change the color a bit. Banana yellow here, and this one also here. Then click on the fountain fill. That's elliptical. Good. Elliptical. Now I do this, then I copy the same thing here. Like I told you, I click on to give me this rotational sign. Then I do this. I place it well inside here. Good. I reduce the size. Select all together. I reduce the size. Good. Reduce the size. Increase it a bit. Good. Here still remains Omades, and please subscribe for more tutorials. Increase it a bit. Good. Now this one too, I want it to fill. I want to take this shape. Okay, let me increase it, please. Good. So I group it. I select all. First of all, you copy one of this out. You select this. You group it. Then you come here. You click on it again to give you this sign. Then you drag it inside here. Drag it in the middle here. Now you'll be using the same transform tool, so this time around I'll put here 1. I'll do it manually. Then the distance, I think let's make it 5 and see. Then you press apply. It's too close, so I'll make here 10. Okay, then I press apply. That one is too, the distance is too high, so I'll make it, let's say 7. Press apply. Good. Then you continue like that to follow the path. Good. 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 So now After this, I take this one, I'll put it here. I want to get the same size, so I'll put this ruler here to measure where the circle. So that then I click here, meaning I've selected the circle. I click on this, that is arc. So this time around it will not be full circle anymore. Good. You see, this place is gone. Good. Now take this shape tool, select here, then you drag it to this place. It has given me a half circle. You still click on arc, then you come here, object, convert to curves, then you place this one here, you reduce the size, meaning I'm drawing a leaf. Okay, good, something like cereal. Then let me double click here, double click here. Good. Something like maize or rice flour. Good. Then I double click, I take the shape tool, I double click here, then I control this place. Control this place like this. And make this line, fill it with ash color, something like or better still, I take the color eyedropper, I copy this one and I fill it inside just to pick the same color. Select all, I group it, I hold here, I copy and drag it to this side. And you remember I put this ruler here in order to maintain the size of the previous circle. So I drag it to that place. Good. Now I group it, I reduce it, and take it inside here, then I reduce it still. Yeah. And as you can see, the color is not clear, it's not standing out, so I can work on this one, the color that I filled, I can work on it. Good. Let me take this one outside and work on this color. That one I've selected. Nice. That is this one. Good, yeah. So then here also. Good. Now let's bring it and see if it will stand out. First I can take shadow and give it a shadow. Then I reduce it. Reduce it. And increase this one to that the deepness. Good. Can still reduce this one to fit it well. Now we are not yet done, and the meta, they are normally in numbers, so you can give this one, let's say number 1, number 2, number 3. So this one would deserve, let's say let's say number 2. No, good one is normally number 1, so let's take 1, because there are some ash one also and the rest. Yeah, sometimes the ash is 2. So I take this, then you select the typeface, that is the font that you want it to be here. This one now. Nice. Okay, let me bold it and see. Good. This one too. Let me take this one, click here and fill inside. Then I use this one to work on it. This here still remains Omades, and if you have any comment, please drop it under the comment section. And please subscribe for more videos. Let me use the elliptical. Good. Then better still, let me give it a shape or shadow. Shadow. Come here, select shadow, drag it right to stand out. And I can give it an outline by double clicking here. Come here. Outline is too small. Good. Behind fill. Let me increase it 4. Then give it an outline shape. That is an outline color. Sorry. See. That is not bad. This one, I think. Good. Now, I'm not done yet. I group this one, and every meta is supposed to have a holder. Okay, so let me delete this one. Supposed to have a holder, so take this one, draw something like this. You take this shape to, you hold here, then you drag it inside to curve the edges. Okay, good. Now that is too sharp. And I hold here, then you take this one, click here to get this shape. Okay, you delete this one like this, or you can click on like this, you right click other back of page so that it will be behind this one. Okay, good. At first, let me go to undo and show you. It was on top. Okay, it was on top of this one. I want it to go back. You right click, other back of page. Good. Now let me remove the outline and fill that one also. Let me check this one and see if it will fit. Oh, sorry, undo. Yeah, and you add a color here to come here, and let me take, once I'm adding more colors to it, let me take the linear, add one color here, I bring this one here, and I put this one here, I add another color here. Good. And I put this one in the middle. Good. Let me put this one also here, like this. And this one is too deep. Good. Now let me increase it a bit. Okay. Now this is how you're going to draw the holder. So this is how you're going to do the holder. You do this, you draw this like this, you double click, you go straight like this. Oh, sorry, take this one, you click here once, you double click, you go here, you double click, you come here, you double click, then you come back, you click once to join it. Then you fill here the interactive fill like this with ash, here to ash, right here should be white. You stretch it up here like this. I want this fountain fill, then we do it again. Here it's white. Good, like this. Good, like this. Double click, you stretch this one up. Now take this one, you draw something like this, click once, then stretch it to down here, click once. Let's see if it's a straight line. And you put the same thing also here. Let me straight it a bit. You hold it and put it here to copy. Then you take this one, you click here to you click. Then you fill it with red, here to red. Now you remove the outline, delete this one, delete, remove the outline. I come in here, this one too, this one too. Good. Now I group it, then I press my hand on control, I come here, I right click to copy, I mirror it horizontally. Good. Now this time around, this one will start from here. I'll put this one here, and I right click, order back of page. You see? Good. So that's the holder of my medal. Let me increase it a bit. Let me increase including all this, so that this one will go inside. I increase it by this. Good. Now position it well. Now I group it. I press P to let it be in the middle of the page like this. Stretch it a bit to fill the whole page. Yes. Then let's see our artwork. Zoom it like this. Zoom it like this. And you press this. Wow. Wow. Want to give it a background so it will stand out. You double click here, then you give it a black background like this. Wow. Let me reduce it a bit. Wow. Let's zoom it and see our artwork. Wow. Now this is our artwork. This is our artwork. So please, if you have any comment, please drop it down in the comment section, and please subscribe for more tutorials. Here still remains Omades. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.